Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be changing out the stock halogen license plate lights for some nice bright white LEDs. So let's go ahead and get these old ones out of there and get the new ones installed. Alrighty, so the first thing we need to do is take a prying tool and we're going to insert that under the back edge of this little light housing. Just kind of work it in there, and then you're going to pop it right out of the little socket that it's inside of. We're going to do that for both sides. Now to get to the actual bulb, we're going to spin the connector up here just counterclockwise or to the left a little bit to release it from the housing, and then we can take the bulb straight out of the socket. And same thing goes for the other side. We're just going to spin it a little bit to the left and then take that bulb out. Now you can remove these connectors by pressing in on this tab and just taking that piece completely off, but it's not completely necessary for this. And then we'll take our new LEDs, these are just a T10, and insert those right into the little sockets where the bulbs came out of. And before we put the housings back on, let's just go ahead and unlock the car and make sure that they both work. Alrighty, perfect. And now you're just going to take each housing and put it right back over the light and spin it to the right until it clicks. Now, don't worry about putting these on incorrectly, because as you can see, it will only go on one way. If I try to do it like that, it's not fully in. So just spin it around until you feel it actually go down into the socket, and then you'll be able to turn it right and it'll kind of click into place. And then to put the housings back into place, you're just going to take the flat edge and point that towards the car. This end here with the two tabs is going to go up into the hole first, and then the end that's closer into the car, that flat side, you're just going to push and click back into place. So again, you're going to feed this end in first, and then the side that's closest to the car, click back into place. Alrighty, and just like that, we've upgraded to some nice bright white LEDs instead of those orange halogen lights. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below for some of these lights if you want to go ahead and upgrade those on your car as well. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.